flat stubble.
Well guys, this is video 42 this month. Like I told you before, I am uploading videos constantly, and actually they all are good videos. So if you want to go back and check all the last other videos that I have posted, go ahead and you won't be disappointed. So also I want to let everybody know that I'm going to be attending this year's Miami International Boat Show. I already received my credentials, and I'm going to be bringing you all the big yachts that I see on the show. Also, I'm going to be hanging around the area and filming with the drone and filming with my camera all the footage that I can of all the boats coming to the show pre-show. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel and you like yachts and no nonsense punk channels, then this is the place for you. This is a place only for people that love yachts and boats. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.